How to fix YouTube Error 153, Video Player Configuration Error, 2025. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more YouTube fixes. If you're seeing YouTube Error 153, Video Player Configuration Error, don't worry. Here's the clear and safe way to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. A weak or unstable connection can trigger this error. Second, restart the YouTube app or browser. Close it completely and reopen it to refresh the video player. Third, clear YouTube cache. Go to Phone Settings, then Apps, then YouTube, then Storage, then Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. Fourth, update the YouTube app from the Play Store or App Store. Outdated versions may fail to load the video player correctly. Fifth, disable VPN or ad blocking apps temporarily. These can interfere with YouTube's video configuration. If you're using a browser, clear browser cache or try opening the video in incognito mode. Pro tip: if the error appears on only one video, the issue is usually on YouTube's side. Wait a few minutes and try again. That's it. Now you know how to fix YouTube Error 153 Video Player Configuration Error. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment "Fixed" below.